Here is a resume and cover letter workshop where students are able to go through and kind of see here this agenda. Where first they're going to have a 6-second scan where they're going to kind of see what do recruiters actually see within 6 seconds. What are they looking for? What might kill a scan? And what's their goal? Then students are able to kind of go in and think about what maybe are different resumes looking for. So maybe some industries are looking for certain things, or maybe tech companies are looking for other things. From there, they're able to kind of see the autonomy of a resume and what it might include and what it might have. After that, students are able to think about project sections and think about what every single project entry might need and what it might look like. Then they're able to think about the action verbs. What is it that needs to be on a resume? What to avoid and how to use it and how to word it? And what's the formula to really show the results or the scales that have been led? And then they get to build a resume. There's even in the speaker notes a template of a resume if students want to dive in. You're going to set a timer for 15 minutes and have them get working and building up those skills. Then we're going to be able to see that students are not going to have a summary of their resume, and it's not going to be a form letter as they're diving into this cover letter. This is a story, and it's proof that they can write. They're going to have a hook, the evidence, and the ask. This is the kind of formula to really support cover letters. Again, students are going to have about 15 minutes to really discover and provide their cover letter as they get busy. They can then use peer review to give feedback. What's 2 stars and a wish? Then students can think about their key takeaways and have resources to kind of think about as they're building out their resume.